Ever feel like your AI assistant forgets who you are every time you start a new conversation? What if instead of one generic assistant, you had a team of specialists, each one trained specifically for different parts of your business? That's exactly what Projects does in Jude. Projects are dedicated workspaces that transform Jude from a jack-of-all-trades into your personal board of advisors. Create a project for client proposals, and Jude becomes your sales specialist. Create one for email marketing, and Jude thinks like your CMO. Create one for legal review, and Jude channels your legal counsel. Each project has its own brain, its own rules, its own personality. Setting up is simple. Give your project a name, pick a color, maybe add an icon. Then tell Jude how to think. Write custom instructions like always use our brand voice, or reference our pricing guide before quoting. Attach your documents, contracts, templates, brand guidelines. Jude remembers everything while you work. Even better, link specific clients or forms to keep everything connected. Here's what our users are building. A realtor created a listings manager. Now Jude writes property descriptions that sell. A wedding planner built an event workspace, tracking vendors, timelines, and budgets without breaking a sweat. A fitness coach made a training program project, generating personalized meal plans and workout routines for each client. A restaurant owner has one for menu marketing, crafting descriptions that make mouths water and social posts that fill tables. But here's where it gets really good. Not sure where to start? Jude suggests projects based on your business. Running a law firm? Here's a case prep template. Launching products? Try this e-commerce workflow. Too busy to write instructions? Jude generates them for you. One click and your project is ready to work. Want to share your setup? Publish it to the community. Help others while building your reputation. Projects aren't just folders. They're how you scale yourself. Your social media project works while you sleep. Your client onboarding project never forgets a step. Your pitch deck project keeps your story consistent. Stop starting from scratch. Build your team of AI specialists today. If you need additional help with projects, please feel free to reach out to us.